Who gives milk? Show me. A cow is giving milk. Fine.
Cow.
Which animal can I ride? On a horse. You care.
Horse.
Who carries the goods? Choose. Donkey carries goods. Excellent.
Donkey.
Who lives in a house with people? The dog lives with people. Excellent.
Like and subscribe. Dog.
Which animal can purr? Show me. The cat can purr. Remarkable.
Cat.
Which animal gives wool? A sheep gives wool. How nice.
Sheep.
Which animal bleats? Choose. The goat bleats. Well done.
Goat.
Which animal has a piglet? Show me. Piglet at the pig. Bravo.
Pig.
Who has the longest ears? You know it? Rabbit. Excellent.
Like and subscribe. Rabbit.
Where's the goose? Show me. That's right, it's a goose.
Goose.
Who sings cock-a-doodle-doo? This rooster crows. Awesome.
Rooster.
Who lays eggs? Show me. A hen. You are perfect.
Hen.
Who can swim? You know it? A duck can swim. Creative job.
Quack quack. Quack quack. Quack quack.
Duck. Do you like it? Like and subscribe to the channel, so as not to miss new episodes.